In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable classes on QuickBooks Online. Classes in QuickBooks Online let you tag your transactions so you can see how different parts of your business are performing. Think of them like labels for departments, product lines, or projects. Once they're turned on, you can filter reports by class and get a much clearer view of your income and expenses. Let's get started by turning the feature on. In QuickBooks Online, look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control most of your company-level preferences, so it's the right place to activate tracking tools. Inside Account and Settings, go to the Advanced tab. This tab groups together powerful options that affect how your books behave. Find the setting called Track Classes. Toggle it on to enable class tracking for your company. When you turn it on, make sure to click Save so your change is applied. You might see a confirmation or a brief loading moment. That's normal. After saving, you can close the settings window. Now that classes are enabled, let's go to the list where you'll manage them. Click the gear icon again at the top right. From this menu, select All Lists. This area is a central place for lists that drive how you categorize and organize information. On the All Lists page, choose Classes. Here, you'll see the list of all classes you've created and used to categorize your accounting transactions. If you've used classes before, they'll appear here. If you're new to classes, this page will be your hub for reviewing what's available and staying organized as you categorize transactions going forward. A quick note for clarity: enabling track classes doesn't change your existing transactions by itself. It simply makes the class field available so you can categorize activity the way you want on future entries. Consistent class names and clear definitions will make your reporting more accurate and easier to read. If you work with a team, align on how you'll use classes so everyone applies them the same way. If you don't see the Track Classes option, double-check that you're in the correct company and that your user role has access to company settings. Some plans or permissions may limit what you can view in this section. That's it. You've enabled classes and navigated to the classes list. With this foundation in place, you're ready to organize transactions and unlock more meaningful reporting in QuickBooks Online.